Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G60, and now I'm gonna show you how to install free VPN on your device. Firstly, open your web browser to check how websites see your location without VPN. So just open your website and find here 2ap.io website. Then find the row with information where is you. So as you can see, I'm in Poland, it's true, but now open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN app. Find it, click install and click open, agree. Click on the cross in the left top corner and cool! As you can see, here you have a rabbit and a carrot icon. So if you will click on the globe button on the right top corner, here you can choose the country you want to connect to, or just click smart location and click OK to connect to nearest and fastest VPN server. Then just check how websites see your location with VPN. So reload to ap.io webpage, and as you can see, I'm in United Kingdom now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.